Welcome to Luimoto HQ. Today we are installing our GGR front and rear gel inserts. Let's review the tools for the job. Staple remover or small flathead screwdriver. Pliers to assist in staple removal. Ruler or straight edge. Marker or Sharpie, scissors, 6mm industrial upholstery staples, staple gun, air compressed recommended. First, flip the seat and remove all staples with your staple remover or flathead screwdriver. Use pliers if necessary. Then, remove the seat cover. Next, have your ruler and Sharpie ready. Then, find the center on the front and rear and make a mark. Then, connect them with your ruler. Next, take the rider gel and find the center again on the front and rear. Note the gel has a sloped edge, so ensure your markings are on the top side. Now place the gel pad on your seat to ensure its optimal placement. Consider where you sit and where your pelvic bones make contact with your seat. Then flip the gel over to the unmarked side. Remove the plastic lining along the outside edge of the gel. Proceed carefully not to damage or rip the gel. Now place the sticky side down and double check the gel's optimal placement and align your previous markings. Then smooth out the gel onto the seat. Now we move on to installing the liner. We recommend ear and eye protection when operating an air compressor. Place the liner black side up and centered on your seat. Flip both over and begin to staple. Making sure the liner is smooth and without wrinkles as you go. This liner will help hide the gel insert once the seat cover is installed. As you progress, cut away any foam you don't need. For this particular Luimoto seat cover, a moisture barrier is included. Center the moisture barrier for maximum coverage. Our other seat covers have them stitched directly into the seat cover. The seat cover is designed to fit snug. Massaging the vinyl over the edges helps with a clean install. Ensure the seat cover is centered, then begin stapling. Then remove any excess foam or plastic. And you're done. And now the seat is ready to be installed back on the bike. Now let's install the passenger gel. Once again, flip the seat over and remove all staples. Place the seat to the side and once again, find the center of the gel at both ends. Remember to make your markings on the top side of the gel. You can identify the top by the sloped edge. Proceed to mark center points on the seat foam. Then align the gel on the seat. Seat sizes vary, so trim the gel to the contour of the seat. Remove the plastic lining along the outside edge of the gel, keeping your center line on the top side. Place the sticky side down and centered. Next, center the foam and flip the seat over. And staple along the edge, ensuring a smooth surface. Of course, remove any unnecessary foam. This particular seat cover includes a moisture barrier. Ensure maximum coverage and install your seat cover. Make sure the seat cover is centered before you begin stapling. Cut away any unnecessary foam or moisture barrier. Reinstall any manufacturer hardware. And your rear seat is ready to be put back on the bike. Remember to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on our Luimoto HQ YouTube channel. Elevate your motorcycle riding experience at luimoto.com.